The journey from scrap wood to selling high-demand decor begins with a fundamental shift in perception, where construction site discards, demolition debris, and forgotten wooden remnants are no longer seen as waste, but as raw potential waiting to be rediscovered. And this mindset is the true foundation of building an eco-conscious, profitable creative practice rooted in resourcefulness and respect for materials. Ethically sourcing free wood starts with understanding that these materials often exist in transitional spaces, such as construction zones, renovation projects, furniture workshops, old warehouses, shipping areas, and even rural structures scheduled for dismantling, where wood is frequently removed not because it lacks value, but because it no longer fits the immediate needs of the project, and approaching these sources with transparency, permission, and respect is essential to maintaining integrity and long-term access. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. This channel is all about thoughtful crafting, artistic transformations, and budget-friendly decor ideas designed to spark creativity and make every space feel special. Each video is carefully created to take you on a complete journey, from raw ideas to beautiful finishes. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. When builders, contractors, or property owners see that discarded wood will be reused thoughtfully rather than wasted, they are often willing to allow collection, especially when approached professionally and with clear intent. And this ethical exchange transforms what would have become landfill material into the starting point of sustainable design. Within these overlooked environments, certain types of wood consistently offer higher value for decor production, particularly solid hardwoods such as oak, teak, mahogany, maple, and beech, which are often hidden within old beams, door frames, flooring, staircases, or furniture components. And these woods are prized not only for their strength and durability, but also for their rich grain patterns and aging characteristics that enhance visual appeal over time. Softwoods like pine, cedar, and fir are also common and valuable, especially when reclaimed from pallets, framing offcuts, or roofing structures, as they are lighter, easier to work with, and highly adaptable for rustic, farmhouse, and minimalist decor styles that remain in strong market demand. The true skill lies in learning to visually identify quality timber beneath layers of dust, nails, paint, or surface damage, recognizing that surface imperfections often add character rather than reduce value, particularly in markets that appreciate handmade, authentic, and story-driven pieces. Once sourced, the preparation process becomes a critical bridge between raw scrap and sellable decor, beginning with careful inspection to ensure structural integrity, as hidden cracks, rot, or insect damage must be identified early to avoid future failure. And this step protects both the maker's reputation and the end user's safety. Cleaning reclaimed wood is both a physical and symbolic act, involving the removal of dirt, cement residue, old adhesives, and metal fasteners, often revealing beautiful grain and color beneath. And this transformation reinforces the idea that value is uncovered through effort and patience rather than purchased outright. Drying and acclimating the wood is equally important, as reclaimed materials often carry moisture levels inconsistent with indoor use, and allowing the wood to stabilize naturally over time prevents warping or splitting after it has been turned into a finished product, which is essential for maintaining quality in items intended for sale. Sanding follows not as a means of erasing history, but of refining it, smoothing rough edges while preserving saw marks, nail holes, or weathered textures that signal authenticity. Because modern buyers increasingly seek decor that feels real and grounded rather than factory perfect. From this prepared state, Scrap wood becomes a powerful medium for creating high-demand decor pieces such as wall shelves, floating units, mirrors, frames, planters, small tables, and accent items that thrive in contemporary interiors focused on warmth, sustainability, and space efficiency. The eco-conscious aspect of this transformation significantly increases market appeal, as consumers are more aware than ever of environmental impact and actively seek products that reduce waste and support responsible practices. And when reclaimed wood decor is paired with honest storytelling about its origin, it gains emotional value that mass-produced alternatives cannot replicate. Profitability emerges not from the cost of materials, which is often zero, but from the value added through design, labor, and narrative, where each piece reflects time, intention, and creative problem-solving, allowing makers to price their work based on uniqueness rather than competition alone. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of decor ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Preparing scrap wood for sale also involves thoughtful finishing choices, such as using natural oils, water-based sealants, or low-toxicity finishes that align with eco-conscious branding while enhancing durability and visual depth. And these decisions reinforce trust with buyers who care about health, sustainability, and long-term use. The process naturally encourages efficiency and innovation, as limited material dimensions push creators to design within constraints, often resulting in smarter, more compact decor solutions ideal for small spaces, which are in constant demand in urban and modern living environments. Over time, consistent sourcing builds an informal supply network, where word spreads among contractors, renovators, and workshops that discarded wood will be collected responsibly, creating a steady flow of materials and reducing reliance on purchased lumber, which directly increases profit margins and business resilience. This model also reduces entry barriers for beginners, proving that a decor business does not require large financial investment, but rather observation, communication skills, and a willingness to do the work others overlook. Selling decor made from reclaimed wood carries an implicit message about values, promoting reuse over waste and craftsmanship over convenience. And this message resonates strongly in online marketplaces, local exhibitions, and social platforms where visual storytelling drives engagement and sales. Each finished piece becomes evidence that sustainable practices can coexist with beauty, functionality, and income generation, challenging the assumption that eco-friendly products must be expensive or limited in style. The transformation from scrap to selling is not merely a technical process, but a philosophical one, redefining success as the ability to create demand from what already exists and to turn environmental responsibility into a competitive advantage rather than a limitation. As skills grow, makers learn to anticipate which reclaimed materials will perform best in the market, refining sourcing strategies and production methods while maintaining ethical standards. And this evolution strengthens both creative confidence and financial stability. Ultimately, transforming overlooked construction and demolition wood into high-demand decor is a complete cycle of awareness, respect, and creativity, where free materials become valuable assets, waste becomes opportunity, and thoughtful preparation turns forgotten timber into objects that enhance modern homes while supporting sustainable living and profitable craftsmanship, proving that the future of decor does not lie in endless production, but in intelligent reuse guided by vision, skill, and purpose. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with decor ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.